Chapter 1: Characteristics of Living Organisms. In order to identify living organisms, scientists listed 7 characteristics which all living organisms have. Nutrition, taking in nutrients, which are organic substances and mineral ions, containing raw materials and energy for growth and tissue repair, absorbing and assimilating them. Excretion, removal from organisms of toxic materials, the waste products of metabolism and substances in excess. Respiration, chemical reactions that break down nutrient molecules in living cells to release energy. Sensitivity, the ability to detect or sense changes in the environment and to make responses. Reproduction, progresses that make more of the same kind of organism. Growth, the permanent increase in size and dry mass by an increase in number of cells, cell size, or both. Movement, an action by an organism or part of an organism that changes position or place. The 7 characteristics could be memorized by the term Mrs. Green. Movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, nutrition. Definitions. Metabolism, chemical reactions taking place in cells. Stimuli, changes in the environment which organisms respond to.